So today I finally finished something cool, which is an AI Roundup review affiliate article creator.
Now, in order to get the best results for these reviews, I have to gather actual product data. So I've built this scraper in Python, which can scrape the Amazon URLs that we are reviewing. So in this case, let's do best Japanese pocket knives. Then I choose a few URLs in Amazon. Choose a few of the top rated products here. This one. This one. So this one is a cheap version. This kind of premium one. This one. Finally, this one. Okay, so now that I have these URLs, I'll add these URLs to the Python script. Three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the code is now going to install these Python packages and set the keyword and the URLs. And the next part of the code, I'll install a link to OpenAI to start creating the content. Get this extra heading in there for a buying guide. I'll create an empty variable for the HTML article that we're creating. And generate some titles for the article. Create the content for the buying guide. And then clean that content up a bit. It's also very important when you're actually publishing AI content almost without having to edit it. You can do a lot of editing here in Python as well. And here we're going to scrape the Amazon URLs. This says for each URL that's in that URL list, send a request. I use Oxylabs for the scraping because if you scrape Amazon from like one IP address, they will immediately block you. And Oxylabs supplies different IP addresses. They also give back the Amazon product information in a nice JSON format for me to use. So we get different product data from here, the product details, the bullet points that are in there that are actually right here about this item, these bullet points. So this is the most important information about this product from the manufacturer themselves. Then we get the async code. I'll show you in a minute why I need that. Then the manufacturer, and I get the product name for the title. Then I get the reviews, and I need that async code. Here the query is the async. Because if there are a lot of reviews, Amazon puts them on a separate page. And this part of the script will look for that review page and then scrape off the reviews as well. So let's see, that's a little bit more to the bottom here. Here are these top reviews. And when you click on see all reviews, it goes to a separate review page where you can scrape all of them. The same goes for the Q&As. So a lot of customers have questions about this product, and I scrape those as well to be able to provide answers to the most asked questions right in our review content. And then as you can see, that is a separate page as well with all the question and answer combinations. Once I have that, I write a short review for the product name in American English and a little bit extra information for the GPT-4 chat model to be able to write an effective review of the product. That's why OpenAI comes back with the review information. Here I search for a video to add in the article as well, because it's important for SEO too, to have a video in articles. Then I clean up the information in the text so I can create an intro for the article where I use the information that's in the article, and then check if the intro is written properly. Here I combine all of the information, the titles, the intro, the main content and the video link. Then I write a conclusion based on the findings, and I clean up the content a bit because the AI doesn't write in HTML and we wanted to be able to publish this to our WordPress site immediately. And it also adds a lot of new lines where you don't want any. And then here I download the file in an HTML file, and that's it. Here's all the content, copy that, add a new article, paste in the content, and I have a few title ideas here. Japanese programs 5 factors to consider before purchasing. Let's do that. Here's the intro. Do a quick image here. I use Canva for my images, so Japanese pocket knife, so the photos. Like this one, Japanese pocket knives. And download that. Choose category, buying guide, set the featured image. Add the image to the post as well, because my theme doesn't use the featured image, so I can have the intro come first, then the image, then get into the content. I like to add an affiliate table at the top, then go into the buying guide. Size matters, smaller blades, medium size, larger blades. Blade material matters, handle design. Tony steel is known for its impressive craftsmanship. Just include. So it gets all this information from Googling Japanese knives and then using that information to create a buying guide. And here are the best Japanese pocket knives reviewed. So here's the first one. Portable foreign knives quickly become my go-to tool for camping, barbecue, fishing. Stainless steel blades incredibly sharp thanks to the meticulous hand sanding and wire drawing treatment it undergoes. This process not only ensures a clean but precise cut, but also an aesthetically pleasing finish to the blade. One of the standout features is the natural rosewood handle. Measurements, weight. So all of that it gets from the actual content, the Amazon page. Moving liner lock mechanism. They are from Japan, but hand polished and assembled in China. So overall, very positive about this one. From the moment I first held the Hiko no Kami 7 pocket knife, I knew I was experiencing something truly special. Comfortable grip. It's the first things I noticed. So this is the kind of language that the AI was instructed to use to make this review more authentic. Here's the original paper box that arrived in. One not quite the same level as the premium blue or white paper steels. So this is also the budget option. So that's awesome that it put it in there. In my tests, I used it to cut rope, opening packages, conclusion. So there are only a few things that need editing here. It says as a proud owner a couple of times, so maybe I want to tweak that a bit. And of course add images and the affiliate links so people can actually buy these. So there's a proud owner again. So maybe I can improve upon that a little bit better so the intro doesn't include that every time. But overall it has some very cool points in here. I found that using whetstone yields the best results. Always make sure to keep protective oil on the surface. So that's it. We already have a complete Roundup review article here that you can publish with just a little bit of tweaking. And it even has a relevant video in there.
Now let me know in the comments below if this is something that you could use in your business as well.